Guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to install a spur gear on the 16 scale U.S.A. If you need the part number, it's here. First, you're going to take the slipper pad, slide it in here. Next, you're going to need the bearing. Then you're going to grab this plate, which has a little groove for a bar. And there's a bar on transmission. You slide this on. Then you grab the gear, you put it on. Then you put the spring on and the lock nut. And tighten that. Again, your 1.5 millimeter Allen wrench. Then you're gonna stick it through this hole. And then again, your 5.5 millimeter lock nut wrench. You're gonna tighten this down all the way. Next, you're going to release it by one turn. Now, you're going to install the motor. Then the gear mesh, which is best to use a little piece of a seat. Slide it in between the motor and the spur gear. Then you're going to push them together. Grab the motor screw and you screw it in. You're going to need a 2.5 millimeter wrench. And you're going to screw that all the way down. Then you're going to pull this out. Then the gear mesh should be set. Now you're going to need the gear cover, which is held in with one screw right here. You're going to make sure that you hear a click when you push it down. Then you need the screws, which I just dropped. You're going to screw this in all the way. Then you're gonna slide the transmission into the car. There should be 2 slots right there. Then you're gonna line them up with the 2 slots on the other output shaft. You're gonna slide this in. You're gonna make sure that the lines line up. You should really be able to do this somehow. It's best to leave this unscrewed and then screw it on when you're gonna install it, which I didn't think about. You're going to install this. Then you're going to screw it in once you get it back in, which can be a bit hard sometimes. If you can't line it up, then what you can do is just turn the wheels until you get it lined up to where you need it. Then you're going to grab the screw, okay, push it in. Hopefully it slides in. Then you're gonna grab the 1.5, screw it all the way down. Then we're going to line them up. and going to install it. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it isn't. A way around that is to spin the wheels until you get it on there. Got it on there. Then going to install the second screw. Okay, use the same Allen wrench for it. Then you're going to install the center skid plate next. The front skid plate should be unscrewed with this one screw right here. You're going to grab the center skid. Make sure that all 8 screws are on there. Put it on. Lift the front skid. Put it down. Then you're going to need a 2mm wrench to get a screw in all 8 screws. It should be a lengthy process if you don't have power tools. Okay, make sure that you screwed on the front skid. Then screwed on the rest of the screws. Make sure that when you're screwing in the front 4 screws that you're holding the transmission, because these 4 screws they connect to the transmission, and you don't want them just spinning around on nothing. If you don't know where the screws go, the longest ones go up front and the shortest ones go in the back. The medium ones go in the second to first, the second to first holes. And once you tighten it, you're done. Just grab a badger and you're ready to go.